So right now, I want to withdraw this money into my bank account right now. As you can see, my initial current balance is 25,000 naira right now, and my initial deposit was 5,000, and my withdrawable balance is 20,000 right now. So I will click on the withdraw button right now. Let me tap on the withdraw button. So once we tap on the withdraw button, it's going to bring us right here, right? So I'm going to fill in the amount I'm going to withdraw with my PIN. I'm going to insert my PIN right here. All right. Now, as you can see right now, my withdrawable balance is not 0 naira, leaving my current deposit balance at 5,000 naira, right? So we are going to come to this fund record right now. So I'm going to show you something right here. Here you can see that the amount I received is 19,000 naira. Tax of 1,000 naira was deducted, right? Now let me go to my bank and confirm this payment. Now, in less than 10 minutes of me placing the withdrawal, so I went to my bank. As you can see, this was 19,000 naira received from this very website. So in this video right here, I'll be showing you step by step how I made this money from this very brand new website and how you can do the same for yourself. So make sure you don't miss any part in this video and watch this video detailedly to know how I was able to make this money and how you can make money from this very new website right now. So let's jump right in. This website will literally pay you to invest on their platform. Right now, you can easily just go ahead and download the app right now. So you can see, for safety of your funds, please try downloading the app and logging into the platform. Right, I already have the app downloaded on my phone, and you can easily just join them on their Telegram channel. Now this website will pay you to invest on their platform, right? And I'm going to show you right in this video how you can make money right now from this very website every single day with these simple strategies. Right, make sure you follow this video step by step and follow what I'm about to share with you in this video. If you follow every single instruction I share in this video, by the end of this video, you will start making money every single day from this very website. And this is the dashboard of the website, and we have 5 options right here. We have the home button, we have the invest menu, we have the share menu, we have the discuss menu, and we have the wallet menu. Now, if you come to this wallet menu right now, as you can see, this is my current balance right now because I just withdraw 20,000 naira from this very account, right? And this is their customer care in case you want to communicate to their customer care, you want to relate any issues with them. Now, this is the deposit button, the withdraw button. As you can see, this is my total withdrawal as of the time of recording this video. I just joined the platform and I've made a withdrawal of 20,000 naira. This is my fund record. As you can see, this is where I can access all my fund record, my balance, my commissions, my deposit, my rewards, and my withdrawal, right? So the first thing you want to do is to learn how you can start investing on this very platform. Now, if you come to this invest button, invest menu right here, you can see that these are the type of investment you can make on this very platform. Now, you can make more, you can invest monthly on this website, and you can invest daily on this website, right? So just follow me step by step as I explain everything for you. And these are how much you can invest on this very platform, and these are the return. And the first amount you can invest on this platform is 3,000 naira, right? And this is monthly, right? And you can invest 3,000. The revenue is 31 days. That's the time. The revenue is 31 days, and the daily income is 1,200 naira, and the total revenue is 37,200 naira. That means the end of 31 days, you'll be receiving a total revenue of 37,200 naira. Now, the second investment plan is 10,000 naira, right? And the revenue is 31 days, and the daily income is 44,200, and the total revenue is 130,200. That means the higher you invest, the higher your return on investment, right? Now, what I will advise you to do in this platform is that you want to invest the money you can afford to lose, and you don't want to go ahead and borrow money and start investing on a website, right? This website is legit, but you want to invest the amount you can afford to lose. If you can afford to lose 3,000, that's the best option for you. Go ahead and invest 3,000, and the end of 31 days you'll be receiving 37,200. And if you can afford to lose 10,000, go ahead. And if you can afford to lose 20,000 naira, go ahead, right? Now, if you think 31 days is too much for you to receive your money, I'll be showing you also how you can receive your money every single day by investing on this platform. If you think 31 days is too much, right? So let's go ahead. Now, you come to daily right now, you can see that the lowest money you can invest daily is 2,000 naira. So you can see right here, the revenue right here is 5 days. That means in a space of 5 days, and the daily income right here is 1,000 naira, and the total revenue is 5,000 naira. That means if you invest 2,000 naira right now, in 5 days time, you'll be making 5,000 naira on this very platform. The second one right here is 16,000 naira, and the revenue is 3 days, and the daily income is 9,600, and the total revenue is 28,800. That means if you invest 16,000 naira, by the end of 3 days, in the next 3 days, you'll be receiving 28,800. And right now in the country, things are going so hard, and people are looking for several means to make money online. And this is an opportunity you can just jump into right now and make money from it before it gets crowded. So I'm going to be showing you how I invest on this platform, and I'm going to be investing right now live on this very platform. I'm going to be walking you through on how I do it and how you can also make it happen. So let's go right now. I'm going to withdraw. I'm going to invest on monthly right now. I'm going to invest 3,000 naira right now on this monthly. So I'm going to click on buy now. Once I click on buy now, it's going to tell me to invest, right? This is good. I'm investing on gold. So the best good one, right? So this is what I'm investing on. This platform is a platform that trade your money with other commodities, right? So once you invest on them, they use your money to trade and they get return from that trade. And in that return, they'll pay you back your return on investment. It's just like simple business. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to invest this 3,000 naira. This is the amount I'm going to invest 3,000. The revenue is 31 days. Then the total revenue is 37,200. I'm going to click on buy now, as you can see, and it's going to ask me, are you sure you want to invest in one copy of this product? I'm going to click on confirm invest. So if I click on it, it's going to load up. As you can see right now, congratulations, you just made your investment. As you can see, this is my order amount, 3,000. My total income is 37,200. And this is the working days, 0 working days, and this is the end amount. So once we enter the first day, this is going to increase to 1, 2. Second day, 2, 4. It's going to increase in 31 days of when I'm going to withdraw the money. I'm going to click on back right now. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on back. And I'm going to come over to daily, right? I'm going to invest in daily, right? Now the amount I'm going to invest in daily right now is 2,000 naira, which is the lowest amount, and it's 5 days. It's going to give me 5,000 naira, and a daily amount of 1,000 naira. I'm going to click on buy now, and I'm going to invest in daily, right? So once I come to daily right now, so you can see here's the each price 2,000 naira. Revenue is 5 days. Total revenue is 5,000 naira in the end of the 5 days. 5,000 naira, and this is my purchase list. Quantity is 1. I'm buying 1 quantity of this gold, and in 5 days they're going to pay me 5,000 naira. As you can see, this is the actively pay amount 2,000 naira, and this is the daily income 1,000 naira. And as you can see, 2,000 naira is the actively paid amount. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to invest in this very commodity right now, and they are going to trade with this commodity. And in 5 days, I'm going to receive 5,000 naira as a total revenue. So I'm going to go ahead and click on buy now. As you can see, are you sure you want to invest in one copy of this product? I'm going to click on confirm invest, and it's going to load up. As you can see, congratulations on your order. As you can see, order amount 2,000, total income is 5,000 naira. Order time is this is the order time 16, which is 419, and working days is 0. Working days is 0. In income is 0. This was the first order I made. As you can see, the first order I made was down here right now. This is the first order, right? Order amount was 3,000, and it's going to give me 37,200 at the end of 30 days, right? I'm going to be making an update video on this very platform in the next 5 days, right? Showing you the proof of this investment in the next 5 days. So you want to make sure you subscribe to this very channel and you like this video, so that when that video drops in the next 5 days, you are going to be notified. YouTube is going to notify you immediately once the video drops, and you are going to be the first person to partake of that video, right? The next thing I'm going to be showing you right now in this video is how you can deposit on this very platform. So you want to come over to your wallet. My balance right now was showing 5,000 naira, but right now it's showing 0, meaning I've already used this money to invest on this very platform. So I've already used that 5,000 naira to invest on this very platform. And no, before you can invest in daily, you have to invest in monthly first before you can invest in daily. So you want to invest in the amount you can afford to lose. All right. And this platform is a brand new platform you can make a lot of money from before you get started. So you want to invest in monthly before you can invest in daily. You have to invest in monthly first before you can invest in daily. So you want to invest the money you can afford to lose, right? I'm showing this platform to you because I just discovered the platform, and it's a very paying platform which was recently launched. So this is how you can deposit money on your wallet. So if you come to wallet right now, you come to deposit right now. As you can see, this was my total deposit, 5,000. So you come to deposit right now. You come to deposit. Once you click on deposit, you want to click on the amount you want to deposit, right? And you can deposit 2,000, 3,000, 10,000, and you can even just go ahead and write in the amount. You want to come down right now to read these very instructions. It's very important. Let's say I want to deposit 10,000 naira. I call to deposit right now. Deposit is going to load up. As you can see right now, this is the bank name you want to deposit to. Money point, as you can see, money point. This is the account number. Click on the account number, copy it. As you can see, it's copied. Copy the account number. You go to your bank, you make the payment. Once you make the payment, you come to this very place and click on I have paid. If you click on I have paid, in the next few seconds, they are going to confirm your payment. The money you withdraw is going to be deposited into your wallet. So once you have deposited your money, you come over to your wallet, as you can see right now. Let's click on completed. You come over to your wallet, and your amount is going to be reflecting, and the amount is going to be reflecting on your balance. This is my account, this is my name number, this is my number, and this is my ID number, right? So this is how you can deposit your money. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you this platform is how you can input your bank details to receive your money. You come to withdraw button right now. You come to withdraw, as you can see, this is my bank details, put that bank, and this is my bank account number. If you have not input your bank details, it's going to show input bank details. So you go ahead and input your bank details. So once you confirm your bank details, it's going to be showing you this right now. As you can see right now, this is the withdrawal I explained. Withdrawal tax rate is 5%. That means every withdrawal you have 5% tax rate. That was the tax rate they collected from my withdrawal I made of 20,000 naira, of which they have to pay me 19,000 naira, 5% tax rate. And if you come to this order, my order, you are going to see the product. You are going to be seeing my purchases and my products. It's very clear. These are my orders on this platform. The first order was 2,000 naira, of which I'm going to be receiving the total income of 5,000 naira. This is the date, the time, and everything. And this is my second order, 3,000 naira, of which I'm going to be receiving a total income of 37,200. This is the time, the date, the expiring time, the order date, the expiry time, and the working days. So I can come here every day to just track my order and how it's progressing. So this platform will make you money right now. It's a new launch platform and you want to jump in right now to start making money before it gets crowded. And note, please make sure you invest the money you can afford to lose, right? Make sure you invest the money you can afford to lose. I've shared this update with you. It's now left for you to jump on it and make a lot of money from it before it gets crowded, right? So with that said, make sure you stay subscribed to this very channel because I'm going to be making an update video in the next 5 days showing you my progress and how much I've made again from this very platform, right? Because it's a new platform and it's guaranteed to pay you every single day if you follow everything I shared in this very video. So make sure you stay subscribed so that you will not miss out on that video. With that said, I'll see you in my next video. If you have any questions for me, any suggestion for me, make sure you drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to reply to all your comments, right? I'll be there to reply to all your comments. To register on this platform again, you have to click on the link, the first link I'll be dropping in the description of this video to register a free account with them and start making money right now. With that said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.